Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into some essential tips on how to keep your girlfriend happy in 2025. Ready? Let's get started. First off, attention is key. Spend quality time with her, whether it's through video calls or virtual date nights. Show her that she's a priority. Next, become a pro at active listening. Put down your phone, make eye contact, and really engage in the conversation. Trust me, it makes a huge difference. Reliability and trust are non-negotiables. Keep your promises and be honest about what you can and can't do. Consistency builds security. Generosity isn't just about money. Show your love through acts of service, thoughtful gifts, and quality time. These gestures mean a lot. Be modern in your caring. Emotional support, celebrating her achievements, and being there during tough times all matter. Compliment her beyond her looks. Appreciate her character, intelligence, and skills. It shows you value her as a whole person. Remember, actions speak louder than words. Demonstrate your love through consistent actions. Keep things playful and fun. Shared humor and lighthearted moments make your relationship enjoyable. Respect her boundaries and communicate openly about your needs. Mutual respect is crucial. Build a supportive network by valuing her loved ones. Show genuine care for her family and friends. Show appreciation for her contributions. Small gestures of gratitude go a long way. Seek her opinions and respect her viewpoints. This shows you value her judgment. Respect is the foundation of a healthy relationship. Always, avoid complacency. Continuously invest effort to keep the relationship exciting and fulfilling. Be loyal and transparent. Fidelity strengthens trust. Physical touch should always be consensual. Pay attention to her comfort levels. Adapt to cultural contexts and modern challenges. Open communication helps navigate these smoothly. And finally, engage with our content. Share your thoughts, ask questions, and subscribe for more relationship advice. Thanks for watching and see you next time.